Good day, guys. Morning, afternoon, even depending on when you meet my video on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Subscribe and follow something like this to get value from my channel. Now, this is some of my apps I've got in here. So the ones I'm using to edit my pictures, I've used Remini to remove blur. As you use Remini to remove blur, the video is in my YouTube channel to remove blur. Then after that, I took the picture to airbrush to make it beautiful, more beautiful, sharpen it in airbrush. Then when I take it, that same picture I've sharpened from airbrush, take it to photo. Photo is a familiar app used by graphic designers. The familiar app used by graphic designers. Then start from photo. Yes, this is the picture I just edited with airbrush. My photo mode is removing the background. And you always have data, but it's not consuming data much. Just have a little data, you are good to go. Now the background has been removed. Now you pick the one for transparency. This is transparency background. This one is the original, the white. This one is white, black. If you want it black, but the primary reason you want to remove, you have put your picture to remove background. But sometimes you can edit. Look at so many features here. There are so many free features here. Look at this trending. Look at this one. For their pro. That same picture can bring out so many things with this app. Like this one. And okay. Canva, sample fashion, nation, whatever you want to play with the pictures, want to play with your picture, there's some little free. Look at this one, is paid one. Look at this. Wow. This one is free. Beautiful. This one is free. So let's go to our transparency. That's what I'm here for. Then export, save to gallery, save it again because of my network is disturbing. Good, it's not good. Now you are good to go. So you want to do as much as you can. You will start from photo again. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe and I hope you have got a value from this. And now you are good to go using the three apps that I've used to work on your picture. If you do a birthday design, work on the pictures with this. Whatever thing you want to do, remove background from it with using photo. Thank you so much.